set, go.
Go, 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 go.
Just remember, Caleb, don't use your strength yet. Let him get tired.
No, no, use all of your strength.
Dude, come on. You got it. You got it. Finish him.
It's not working. That's what I do best.
Scream Highlander in my head.
I'm just gonna wait here for a little while.
Yeah, just relax.
Hey, Caleb, just remember.
Come on. Oh! Oh, man.
Wait for it, wait for it. Falcon punch.
Falcon!
Come on, Brett.
Come on, man.
Come on, Brett.
Dude, I got nothing, man. I got nothing. That's the thing. I got nothing.
Dude, your wife is gonna see this video.
I know, and she's gonna know I'm a weenie, so it's okay.
Come on, Caleb.
Cut!
Stop holding hands.
Come on, Caleb! Do it! Finish me!
Okay, your arms.
Oh!
That didn't work.
Your arms almost did. It doesn't work.
This is like a minute
This is how
long.
I win. This is what I do. I've done this since I was a kid. See, now I'm gonna do that and freak him out. I'm gonna freak him out. That's my strategy.
This is the Asian strategy. Here we go.
The way of the
Let's
samurai.
watch Caleb lose.
Thanks, that's sorry.
Well, come on, dude. Finish him.
His arm's like in the way. It's like too
I mean,
big.
it's in the way.
It's like, see all that right there? It doesn't go down.
Right there, right there. Dude, you had him.
He has a block.
Hey, show me again, dude.
Just like resting his arms. Not even trying.
Someone's wrist is gonna break.
I know, it's giving me
See,
mine.
now you're holding hands, dude.
It's romantic. Need the candles going on.
We talked about romance
We
today.
did, yeah.
Pretty sure your hands are making children.
Wow.
That was just appropriate.
Oh, nice.
He cheated. I win. I won. He cheated.
No way, dude.